Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss 5 simple steps that can help you use analysis effectively when writing a social work assignment. Analysis is a crucial skill that allows you to critically examine information and draw out meaningful conclusions. So let's dive right in. Before you begin writing your assignment, make sure you have a clear understanding of the assignment prompt and the specific topic that you're going to be addressing. This will help you focus your analysis and stay on track throughout the writing process. Start the assignment writing process by gathering thorough research on your topic. Read academic articles, books, and other credible sources to gather a wide range of perspectives. Take notes and highlight key points that relate to your assignment. Once you've gathered enough information, it's time to organise your thoughts. Start by creating an outline that includes the main points you want to address in your assignment. This will help you to provide structure and ensure your analysis is coherent and well organised. Analysing the information is the heart of your assignment. When analysing, look for patterns, themes, and connections within the information that you've gathered. Ask yourself critical questions such as, what are the underlying causes and effects? How do different theories and frameworks apply? What are the implications for practice? By answering these questions, you'll deepen your analysis and provide valuable insights. It's really important to back up your analysis with credible evidence. Refer to the research articles, books, or other sources you've gathered and integrate them into your writing. To do this, use direct quotes, or paraphrase some of the work that you've researched, or summarise key findings to support your arguments. Always remember to properly cite your sources using the appropriate referencing style. Once you've completed your first draft, take some time to reflect on your analysis. Review your assignment and assess if your arguments are clear and well supported. Look for any logical gaps or areas that might need further development. Once you've done this, then revise your work accordingly, ensuring your analysis is strong and coherent. At this stage, you may want to ask somebody else to read your assignment to make sure that it flows properly. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to use analysis when writing a social work assignment. Remember, analysis is not just about summarising information, it's about critically examining and interpreting it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to provide insightful analysis that will hopefully impress your tutors and enhance your understanding of social work topics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments section below if you have any specific topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. I'll also add some resources in the section below that may be helpful to you. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.